Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a locator in Blockbench. Locators are useful for positioning effects, items, or attachments like particles and held objects. First, open your model in Blockbench. In the Outliner panel, click the drop-down button where you add objects. Select Add Locator. A locator will appear in the viewport as a small cross or point. You can move, rotate, and scale the locator just like a normal cube, but it won't render in-game. Locators exist purely as reference points for particle effects and sound. To add effects to the locator, switch to the Animate tab. In the Animations panel, click Add Animation. Next, select Animate Effects in the timeline. Click the plus icon under Particles. In the Keyframe panel, choose the effect you want to use. Then select the locator we added earlier. The particle effect is now attached to the locator. And that's how to add a locator in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.